So let's repeat that. So let's say I have here 500, 5, 3, 4, 7 minus 2, 8, 7, 9. Hmm? Now pay attention. 7 is less than 9, so we will treat 7 as 17. Instead of 7, we will treat it as 17. Okay, we'll treat it as 17. Why? Because we have to add something in 9. We have to add a number in 9 such that we can get 7. But it is not possible to get 7 by adding anything in 9. So we will add something in 9 to get 17.
9 plus 8 equals to 17.
Yeah, 9 plus 8 equal to 17. Exactly. 9 plus 8 equals to 17. Yes. Now that we have taken 17, 1, we will add that 1 in 7. And 7 will now become, this 1 will get added here to 7. And
It will
this
become
will
8.
8. Now we cannot convert 8 into 4, but we can convert 8 into 14. So how much should we add? How much should I add in 8 to get 14?
6.
6. So 8 plus 6 is 14. That one gets added with 8. So 8 with 8 becomes 9.
9.
Now that 9 will be converted not to 3, it will be converted to 13. So 9 plus 4 will give me 13. This one we will add it in 2. 2 will become 3, and 3 we will convert it to 5 by adding 2. Answer is 2, 4, 6, 8. Is that clear?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, bro.
Okay.
Yes, bro.
Right. So now let's take this exercise. Hmm. Okay. So please do this one. Use the method that I have explained. Then we will also see one more method, left to right method, and we will again do this exercise based on the left to right method. Right now, try it with the method that I have given. Done. Everyone has completed?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji,
Yes,
I
Prabhu?
just completed the first three.
Okay, very good. Okay, let us begin and we will catch up with you. Hmm? First one, Bhavya, you are ready? You have done?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hmm.
So I did since it's a 2, we can't do that. So I did 12 minus 7, which equals 5.
Hmm.
And then since we made this a 12, we have to add 1 to the 4, and then 6 minus 5 would equal 1. So
Yes,
the answer is 15.
correct. So 7 plus 5 is 12. There is 1. 1 is added to 4. That becomes 5. 5 added to 1, it becomes 6. Yes. Next one, number B. Anyone wants to take up number B? Nobody has opted for number B. Anybody?
Or
Or yeah, okay, start.
okay, Prabhuji. So what I did was that I did 8. Since I couldn't make 8 into 5,
Yeah.
I made 8 into 15, which took 7.
Hmm.
Then I added 1 into 3.
Hmm.
I mean, into 2 that made 3.
Hmm.
Then I took, and 3 and 4 is 7. So
Yeah.
the answer is 47.
47. Excellent. Next one, Parikshit.
Krishna Guruji.
Hmm.
Uh, 1 becomes 11.
Hmm.
So 11 minus 5 is 6. 1 is added to 1.
Yeah.
So it becomes 2. And 5
Yes.
minus 2 is 3.
Yeah. Correct. Next one, Sachi.
Yes, Prabhuji. So,
Hmm.
so 7 minus 8 it is, right? So I will do 8 plus 8 plus 9,
Yeah.
17. So it will be 9 here, yeah. Then after I add 1, 2, 3,
Hmm.
it will be 4. So
Hmm.
6 minus 4 is 2,
2. Yes.
29.
Excellent. Next one, Advait.
Prabhuji, when I added 1 to 5, I got the 6. So
Yeah.
1 down, and then when I added 2 to 2, it became 4. So answer is 21.
Yeah. Simple. Very simple. Next one, Shruti.
Prabhuji, to make 5, I made 5 into 15,
Hmm.
and 57 is is 8 is added to 7 to make it 15, and then I took 1 and added it to 4, 3, and made it 4 and 2.
4 and 2, 6. Yes. Next one, number G. Anyone? G.
Parikshit.
Parikshit.
0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 2 is 8.
Hmm.
The 6 is added by 1. It becomes 7. And 9 minus 7 is 2.
Okay, great. Next one.
Yes, Prabhuji. 2, 2 will become 12, and 8 8 plus 4 is equals to 12,
Yes.
and in the 3's place it will become 4. So
Hmm.
4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So the answer is 44.
44. Excellent. So this method is clear, right? There is no problem in this one. Hmm. Okay. So now let us learn the left to right method, which is actually the Vedic maths method. This was my method. Now let's learn the Vedic maths method. Hmm? Okay. So let me show the first one. 62 minus 47. Now What is 6 minus 4?
2.
4 is 2. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2. Done. We are following the left to right method. Huh? Pay attention. 6 minus 4 is 2. Can you do 2 minus 7?
No.
No, Prabhuji.
Cannot do. So the Vedic maths method says that when you are subtracting a column, check if next column subtraction is possible or not possible. When you don't have to speak, please remain on mute. Huh? Don't unmute all the time. It disturbs everyone. When you have to subtract a column, please check if the next column is possible to be subtracted or no. Now, when I am subtracting this one, 6 minus 4, before subtracting 6 minus 4, I will check my next one, if that next one is possible or not possible. Okay? It's quite similar to the right to left method, but just that this is a left to right, this is the Vedic maths method. So 6 minus 4, 2 is possible, but because the next column is not possible, what I will do is, this 4 I will treat it as 5, and that 1 which I have added in 5, I will treat it here. That same 1 which I have added in this 4, I will take it here also. So 6 minus 5 is 1, and 12 minus 7 is 5. This is the Vedic maths left to right method. I'm showing once again, see.
Prabhuji, did we basically do the same thing because we just added 10 to the 12 and 1 more to the 4?
It is same. I mean, it is similar, not same. It is similar. This is left to right approach. Okay, it's similar only. Yes, you're right. So I'm explaining once again. 6 minus 4 is 2, but because the next column subtraction is not possible. Not possible means we are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number. That is what we mean by not possible. So 6 minus, instead of 4, we will do 5. We are adding 1, and that 1 we will take here also. 6 minus 5 is 1, and 12 minus 7 is 5.
Prabhuji, in school, in Leelavati, we had done like 6 minus 4 is 2. So we'll write 2 there. And then 2 minus 7 can't happen. So then we'll write 1 below the 2 here. So and then afterwards we'll write, we'll calculate 12 minus 7, that equals to 5. So you have to subtract 15 minus 10.
Yeah, correct. Good. Yeah, so there are many methods in Leelavati also, no doubt. So this is clear. Okay, let's check the next one also. 75 minus 28. Now 7 minus 2 is 5, but because 5 minus 8 is not possible, we will take it as 3 and this one as 15. We are adding 1 in this 2 and we are adding that 1 here. Not adding exactly, means writing that extra digit. We are adding actually 10. So 7 minus 3 is 4 and 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, is that clear? The left to right approach is clear?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, very good. So now who wants to explain 51 minus 15 with the left to right approach?
Or
Start.
so what happens first? First you do 5 minus 1, that's 4. But since the next column's not possible, 4 cannot be the answer.
Yeah.
So we make 2.
2, yes.
Then this also goes here. That one of the.
Yes. Then
5 minus 2 is 3.
yes.
And 11 minus 5 is 6. So the answer is 36.
36. Okay, everyone is clear with this approach? Answer 36.
Yes.
Prabhuji.
Who wants to explain the next one? Number D, 67 minus
Can
30.
I try?
Advait.
I am Shruti.
Shruti. Okay, Shruti, start.
So, 1 minute. Huh?
So 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, but because 7 minus 8 is not possible, so we'll treat 3 as 4,
Hmm.
and then 6 minus 4 is 2,
Hmm.
and then 17 minus 8 is
Is
9.
9. Yes, correct. It is 9 exactly. Okay, now someone tell me, like we did this, no? 67 minus 38. We are converting this to 4 and adding and writing 1 here. What is the logic? Can anyone explain the logic behind this method? Anyone? Why does it work? What is the logic behind this method?
Usually, I think because in normal mathematics, like when we do it in school, we take when the first number is not subtractable, we take the, like, for example here, the 6, we take 1 from the 6 and then we add 10 to the 7, but now we're just taking wait.
Well, that is not clear. I want a little clear explanation. What is the logic behind this method? Why does it work?
Prabhuji, can I try if nobody wants?
I think somebody will want. Nobody wants. If no one is ready, then Prabhuji will be ready. Okay, yes, Prabhuji, please start.
Prabhuji, I know.
Okay, yes, chalo. Otherwise,
Because that is a tens place, so 10 will be taken there.
10 will be taken there means
Means this is we have to borrow from the next place, so but the next place is the 10th, so we have to take 10 from it, and we get 70.
no, not that type of explanation. Okay, but not clear logic. We want clear logic, not borrow and all. Mathematical, clear mathematical logic. Okay, Prabhuji, please start. Jigar Prabhu, you can start, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
this is Akshay.
Yeah,
So
Akshat.
to
Yeah.
say how this works.
Yeah.
You took from the ones place. You add 7. You add in the D. You add 7. You minus 7 minus 8, and then that 7 is a lesser number than 8. So you have to put a 10, and then in order to borrow from the tens place, you need to add 1.
Okay. Okay, now let me start. See, we are doing only 2 things here. This 3, when we are converting to 4, we are subtracting 38 or 48. Listen carefully. I am asking, when I am changing 3 to 4, I am subtracting 38 or 48.
48.
48. Yeah, 48. Now I am supposed to subtract 38 or 48. What should I do? Actually, I should subtract 38 or 48. Which one?
38.
38.
38.
Instead of doing minus 38, what I have done is minus 48. So we have done minus 10 extra, right? We have done minus extra or no?
Yes.
So how do you adjust for a minus 10?
Plus 10.
Plus 10. So plus 10, how to do plus 10? 7 plus 10, 17. It's simply minus 10 plus 10. That's all. Understood? Minus 10 plus 10.
Yes.
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 Everyone is clear with minus 10 plus 10?
Yes.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, good. Right. So who wants to try number E using the left to right method?
I want this
Uh,
Prabhuji.
Akshay,
So E, I did 46 minus 25. You have to subtract 6 from 5, use 1, and you have to just subtract 4,
no, no.
then
You
you
have
get
to
2.
follow left to right method. Left to right.
You just 4 minus 2 and then 6 minus 5.
Yeah. 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now, why are we not converting this to 3? Why don't we convert it to 3?
Because you can
Prabhuji,
subtract
because it's a yeah, because you
like
can
bigger
subtract.
number minus less number.
Okay, now let's try something interesting. Let's try something interesting. Let's see. Even if I subtract this, even if I convert this to 3 and write here 16, will I get my answer 21 or no?
No.
I will get 21 answer or no?
No.
Like this. Suppose, will I get 21 or no?
No.
Yes?
No, no.
Oh, no.
Then there is some problem with the method.
So 6 can be subtracted by 5.
We should get 21. We should get. It is possible. Okay, let me show you.
Prabhuji, it's possible.
How?
Now we make we do 1 because 4 minus 3 is 1,
Yes.
and then 5 is minus 6. 16 minus 5 is 11,
Yes.
and 1 is added to the earlier one.
Yeah. See, for 16 minus 5 is 11. Now, okay, now let me ask one thing. See, suppose I write this number 46. How do you how do you get the value 46? This is 4 6, right? Where is
40 plus 6.
where is 40? There is no 40.
40 plus 6.
4 is in the tens place.
So how does it become 40?
In the tens place.
Yeah, it is in tens place, but how does it become 40? Mathematically.
Because it is after the ones unit.
No, no, no. Why does 4 become 40? It is in the tens place, correct? But mathematical, I want mathematical answer. How does 4 become 40? Because it is in the tens place, so what happens?
So its value is multiplied by 10.
Yeah, so 4 is the fifth value, and this 4 in this place, 4 means 4 times 10. So 4 times 10 means 4 into 10, 40. And this is 6 times 1. This 6 means 6 times 1, and that is 6. And when we add, we get 46, right? So when I am writing a 1 and a 1 here, what is this 1 actually? This one is 1 or 10?
10.
10. This is 10. And here I have an 11. And that 10 plus 11, it becomes 21, which is the same answer. Did you understand this point?
Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah, so in this way you have to test the methods, and you have to you have to learn like this, not just because the method is not that because 2 cannot be because we cannot do 2 minus 7, so we follow that. I mean, that is a way of explaining, but we have to dig deep, we have to go deep inside, and we have to understand why it is like that. I mean, why this method works if the if the previous number is smaller. Why? If the previous number is a greater, what is the problem? Why should it not work? Is there some adjustment required? So when you learn with these multiple ways, then you actually understand the logic behind it. Otherwise, what is my logic? My logic is that because 5 is less than 7, so I should follow this method. So if it is 7 and 5, then the method doesn't work. No, it works. Got it?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Anyone having any doubt? Okay. Right. So this is done. Now number F. F. What had it? Okay. F. Who wants to try number F? F. Advait. Okay. Start.
So Prabhuji, I may so 5 minus 7 is not possible. So then I made 3, 4. So 6 minus 4, 2.
Yes.
And now 15 minus 7 equals to 8.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Next one, number G. Aurav.
Prabhuji, can I try?
Okay. Try. Vrajpriya. Aurav, let her try because you got a chance earlier. Vrajpriya, try.
Yes. 9 minus 6 is equals to 3, but the 0 minus 2 is not possible. So it will become 4. 9 minus 7 7 is equals to 2.
2. Yes. 2.
And 1 will come up. So 10 minus 2 is equals to 8.
8. Yes, correct. So when you are solving, in the beginning it is okay to write all this, but as you practice, you have to avoid writing like this 7 and then 1. You have to just visually, you have to remember that. You just have to remember that I should do, because the immediately we can understand, since next column is not possible, I will do 9 minus 7 2, 10 minus 2 8. But in beginning you can practice by writing like this, absolutely no problem. Once you have got faith and confidence in the method, then stop writing, just write the answers. Okay, last one, number H. Vrinda.
So I first we have to first, like, for the we first see that 2 and 8 is not cannot be subtracted from 2, so we make the 3 a 4, and then we give 2 a 10, so it becomes 12, and then when you subtract 4 from 8, it becomes 4, and then 12 8 subtracted from 12 becomes
4. So answer is 44. Okay, perfect. Now pay attention here. So what I'll do is I'll break down the subtraction method and we will see that what is actually happening. Let's break down the whole subtraction. This one, 8, let's take this as example, 82 minus 38. 82 is 80 plus 2. 38 is 30 plus 8. Okay. Now see what we will do here. Now I have to subtract this. So I have to subtract 30 from 80 and 8 from 2. 30 from 80 is not possible. Sorry, that is possible, but 8 from 2 is not possible. So we will do one thing. What we will do is, this 2, we will make it like this. 10 plus 2. Okay. And this 30 also, we will make it 30 plus 10. Oh, sorry. Just a minute. And this is subtraction. So what is happening here? I am subtracting 10 here and I am adding that 10 here. Can you follow what is happening in subtraction? So this is 12 and this plus actually becomes minus because we are subtracting that. So 12 minus 8, this becomes 4. And this 80 minus 40, it becomes 40. And 40 plus 4, answer is 44. This is the answer is 120. Which answer is 120? So we are not adding here. There is no 120. Manjari, please check whether you are adding or subtracting. Did you understand this breakup? This breaking of subtraction, the whole breakup of the method? What
Yes,
happened?
I understood.
Others?
Prabhuji, can you explain
Uh,
again?
this 82 means what? 80 plus 2. Okay. 38 means what? 30 plus 8. This much is clear. So
Yes.
from 80 plus 2, we have to subtract 30 plus 8. Now from 80, we can remove 30. There is no problem. But from 2, how can we remove 8? There is a problem. So because 2 minus 8 is not possible, we will add this 10 here. And this 2, we will convert it to 12. We need a number greater than 8. So we are adding a 10 here. If I am adding a 10 here, I should also subtract it. So where am I subtracting? I am subtracting here. This is, although this is plus, but when we subtract, actually it becomes minus. Okay, so we are subtracting here. So this 30 plus 10 is now 40, and 80 minus 40 is 40. And here this 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 40 plus 4 is 44.
Okay, Prabhuji, thank you.
Any doubt? Everyone is clear? So my point is, you have to understand the logic behind the methods. All right. Simply learning method and reproducing it, that is not going to help much. Akshaj, out.
Yeah, I don't still get the part when you said like 80 plus 10 plus 2 and then 30 plus 10 plus 8. Can you explain one more time?
Okay, check here. Once again, I'm writing. See, what I'm saying is, okay, let's do it together. Is it possible to subtract 30 from 80? Can we do 80 minus 30? Possible or no?
Yes.
No.
Yeah. Sorry. Okay, let Akshaj only reply. Akshaj,
Yes.
80 minus 30 is possible or no?
Yes.
Possible. 2 minus 8, is it possible?
No.
No, not possible. Now, please understand, although this is plus written here, but when you are subtracting, we are actually doing minus. Okay, this plus is just inside. We are actually doing minus, subtraction. Now, if 2 minus 8 is not possible, then what is possible? 12 minus 8 is possible.
Yes, 12 minus 8 is possible.
So, when you are converting 2 into 12, we are adding 10 or no?
Yes, adding 10.
So, if I am adding 10, if I am doing a plus 10, then here I should do a minus 10 also. This minus 30, I am making it minus 40. So, both are getting adjusted or no? One side minus 10, one side plus 10, and there is no change in the value.
Yes.
It is just an adjustment. The subtraction method that you have learned, that borrow and all that, it is nothing but adjusting. We are simply adjusting it. One side plus 10, one side minus 10. Got the point?
Yes.
So what happens? This gives me 40. This gives me 4. But both are getting added. So finally that is 44. This is the mechanics. This is the mechanism behind the subtraction method.
Okay.
This is how subtraction works.
Yes.
Okay. And this is how addition also works. See, for example, if I have to, let's say, add 82 plus 38. So what is happening inside is 80 plus 2 and 30 plus 8. Now 8 and 2 is 10. 8 and 2 is 10. All right. Let's write here 10. 80 plus 30 is 110. 80 plus 30 is 110. When you add 110 plus 10, what will you do with this one? Where will you take this one? If I write like this, 110 plus 10, 1 is in the tens place and it is getting added to the tens place or no?
Yes.
That is the reason that carryover we take it to the tens place. If you follow the method like this, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carried over, we write here 1, right? What is the logic of writing that 1 in the tens place? Because that 1 is actually getting added with the tens place. And the answer is 120.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Understood how addition works
Yes, Prabhuji.
inside, subtraction works inside?
Prabhuji,
Yes, Prabhu?
actually, subtraction and addition are opposites, and so are multiplication and division.
Yeah, correct. Yes. Not opposite, better, maybe we can say like complementary, whatever.
But Prabhuji,
Yeah.
that in multiplication and division, they are not actually um, fully opposite, because in multiplication also they are doing almost like division only.
How?
Like
What is
20 into 3 equals to, means just like same, like one is given to one. If you want, if we have 63 if we shift this from division, we have 60 apples, and from that we have to divide it in 3 people, so then we are getting 3, then everyone will get 20. And in multiplication also we are doing like now each person has 20, and there are every participant has 20, but and there are 3 participants like this, so the answer is becoming 60.
That is fine. Who told that multiplication and division are not exactly opposite? In some way they are same. How they are same? Not exactly opposite means?
I mean, Prabhuji.
1 minute, Aura, I'll come back to you. Let him explain, because that was his point.
No, I was little confused also.
Yeah, correct. That point is not correct. See, multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Actually, there is nothing called multiplication. It's all addition only. So as you said, if there are 3 people and they are getting 20 apples each, so that means what is happening is 20 plus 20 plus 20. When 20 is added 3 times, that is what we say 20 multiplied by 3. 20 multiplied by 3 simply means add 23 times. Or you can also say add 320 times, whichever way you want to say. Now what is division? Division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Kind of repeated subtraction. So if I have 60 apples and I am dividing them in 3 people, okay, when it's not so easy to explain division, repeated subtraction the way we explain multiplication, but that is what happens. I mean, see, from 60, if you give 20 to first person, again give 20 to second person, again give 20 to third person, you are left with 0. And if you are left with 0, your division is perfect. If it is not perfect, then you will have some remainder. Say for example, if I divide 60 apples in 7 people, all right, so from 60 I can subtract let's say 8. Okay, 8 8 8, sorry, like that I go on subtracting 8. There will be a point where I'll be left with a remainder, and that will be 4. So if you subtract 8 7 times, if you 60 minus 8 is 52, 52 minus 8 is 44, 44 minus 8 is 30, 44 minus 8 is 36, 36 minus 8 is 28, 28 minus 8 is 20, 20 minus 8 is 12, 12 minus 8 is 4. That is what we say called remainder. This is what is known as remainder. Remainder means what remains. What remains means this is something which cannot be further distributed. So the division is like kind of, you can say, distribution. distribution. Equal distribution, that is important point. The distribution must be equal. Division means equal distribution. If it is not equal, then there is no division. Then we are not dividing actually. Dividing means equally. You can't have an unequal division. That is, it doesn't exist. Division means equal distribution. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. Now this same division, you can again convert it back to multiplication. So 7 people, they got 8 apples each. That means they got 56 and 4 was remaining. And total we had 60. So now you can call multiplication and division as opposite. You can say like complementary, whichever way you want to explain. But in a sense, yes, they work. Not opposite, you can say like inverse or reverse, whichever word you can use. Understood this? So multiplication is repeated addition, division is repeated subtraction. That's all.
Now I understand.
Prabhuji?
Yes.
So what I wanted to explain, like how they're saying, I mean, they work together, is like 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 divided by 6 is 6.
Yeah, correct. Yes. 6 into 6 is 36 and 36 divided by 6 is 6. That is what is taught in school with what we call cross multiplication. So that's why I say division and multiplication, not exactly opposite. You can say like complementary. They complement each other, kind of, whichever way you want to explain. No. Anyway, this is a later topic. But the interesting thing is, my experience is mostly, you can say hardly, I have seen hardly anyone even thinking about this, that in addition, why do we carry it over to the left side, or why do we borrow, what happens inside? At least I have not seen anyone even thinking about this or asking, because we are getting answer anyway. So how does it matter? The method works. Method works, but why the method works, very few people ask. And that's why most of the people struggle at later stage, because when you come to such level of exams like competitive exams, where you have to really go deep into it, then we keep struggling. And then you have to start the whole process of learning from beginning, from level 0, again everything. Okay, so chalo, this is done. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Now here we will have very easy subtraction, easy level of subtraction. Okay, this is easy, quite simple.
Actually, Prabhuji,
Prabhuji, which method?
1 minute. Let me see who is asking. Aurav. Yes, Prabhu.
actually it doesn't look that simple.
It is simple, Prabhu. We will see.
Oh, you mean you were using the first method?
We will collectively, we'll make it simple. We'll make it simple. We'll work together.
Okay.
No problem. Okay, so what we'll do is we will not have like, open forum. Anybody can choose any option. Who wants to go with option A, first one? First one, or let's think. Wait. Let's start with the double digit cases first. So which are the
Prabhuji,
ones?
are we
Just
doing any method?
wait. No, not any method. No.
Both methods?
B and E, these two are double digit. Okay. So who wants to try with B? Not those students who are in higher classes.
Can I try, Prabhuji?
Sorry, your who is asking? Vrajpriya.
I try, Prabhuji.
Try number using the left method, left to right. Yeah.
Okay.
Number
6. 6 minus 2 is equals to 4, but the 3 minus 8, it's not possible. So 6 minus 3 is equals to 3.
Yes.
And 3 will become 13. 13 minus 8 is equals to 5.
Very good, very good. Okay, done. So now going forward, you don't have to tell because it is not possible, so we are converting to 4. And this was very good. But going forward, you can directly say like 5 minus 4, because now we all understand when it is possible, when it is not possible. And when it is not possible, how to adjust with that one, we understand that. So you don't have to explain it every time. Okay, number E, somebody in the lower class, first, second, third standard.
Prabhuji,
Yes, Prabhu.
last problem.
Huh. Last problem. Sorry, what are you saying? Asking Aurav?
I want the last problem. I mean,
Oh, last one. This one, number L. This one.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
fine. Very good, very good.
Prabhuji, I
Yes.
have another method of doing B.
Which one? Number B. Another method.
Another method.
See, at the end of this exercise, at the end of the exercise, we will have a look at that. Huh?
Prabhuji, I can do J.
You can
Can I
do.
have C, Prabhuji?
We'll see later, Prabhu. Who will do J, who will do K, L and all. Right now, I am asking for E. Please pay attention to what others are doing. Don't worry, everyone will get chance. If you don't get chance, don't worry. I will frame two values, two mobile numbers. I will subtract that 10 digit, 10 digit. Huh? Don't worry. Number E, who wants to try this one? Number E. Anyone? Take up anyone? Okay, Bhavya, fine. Start number E.
Prabhuji, left to right method, right?
Yeah. All the questions left to right. Only left to right.
Okay, so we can do 5 minus 3, but the right column, that's not possible just to subtract. So we have to make 3 4. The 3 can become a 4, and then 1 can become 11. So the answer will be 13.
Yeah, so you have to explain like this. Now listen everyone, what you have to explain. 5 minus 4, 1, 11 minus 8, 3. Just explain this much. We understand. Now all of us understand why we are doing 5 minus 4 and why we are doing 11 minus 8. You just have to explain this much. All right? Fine. Now the double digit ones are done. So now let's start with the 3 digit. Number A, who wants to try number A? Everyone will get chance. Yeah, don't worry. Number A, anyone?
Prabhuji, I can do.
I can means Advait.
I'll do.
Yeah, Advait.
4 minus 1 is possible, but behind that 4 minus
Listen.
8 is not possible. So then,
Just tell the values. Just tell the value. 4
1
minus.
will become 2. 4 minus 2, 2.
Yes.
And then that was 14. So then that will 14 minus 8. 4 minus 3 is, can happen.
So if
14 minus 8 equals to 6.
Yes.
And then 4 minus 3 equals to 1.
Yeah, perfect. So you were thinking whether this 8 I should change it to 9 or no. No, we will not change it to 9 because 4 minus is possible. It is possible. Okay. So no need to change. Everyone is clear with this triple digit? Check. Anyone has any doubt in this 261 calculation? Okay, let's move ahead. Number C. Who wants to try number C?
Prabhuji,
Yes.
we can have 2 chances because I want to do D also, Prabhuji.
Yeah, okay. We will give chance to everyone. Don't worry. But anyone who has not tried till now?
Okay, let them try.
Akshaj.
So you did 13 minus 13, get the 3 on the ones place 13, and well,
No,
and
left
do 8.
to right, left
8
to
minus 4. 8 to 4, and 8 minus 4 is 4, and then you put the 11, you put the 10, one more on there, and then that gives you 11 minus 5 is 6,
Yes.
and you get one more on 3,
Yes.
and then you get 13 minus 5 is 8. So the answer is 468.
Yeah, excellent. Okay. So everyone now please check again. 8 minus 3 will become 8 minus 4, and this will become 11 because 1 minus 4 not possible. 8 minus 4, 4. 11 minus 4, 7. But we will not do 11 minus 4. We will do 11 minus 5 because 3 minus 5 is also not possible. 11 minus 5, 6, and 13 minus 5, 8. Is that clear? So the next column check has to be done at every stage, not just for the first one. At every stage, we need to check that. Okay. Right. Number D. Number D, who is interested?
Prabhuji, hi.
Sachi. Okay, start.
Yeah. So I will do 8 plus 7 will be 15.
No, no. Left to right method.
Oh, left to right method. Okay.
Right to left method is easier actually. I mean, it seems easier. So you know that.
Yeah.
I am forcing you to follow the left to right method.
Oh, okay. Wait, Prabhuji, 1 minute. 6.
Yeah.
I'll do 6 minus 3
Hmm.
will be 6 minus 3 will be 5. No,
Uh-huh.
3.
3. Yeah. Simple.
Then what? 9 minus 6 will be. Wait, Prabhuji, yeah. 9 minus 6 will be 3. Then 9 minus 6 will be 3.
Hmm. And then?
And then so wait, Prabhuji. So I'll add. So 9 minus 7 will be 4.
9 minus 7, 4.
Sorry, Prabhuji.
Hmm.
2.
2.
Then 5. No. So I'll. Okay. So I'll do 8 plus.
Not 8 plus any.
Sorry, 15 minus 8.
Hmm.
15 minus 8 will be 7.
7, yes. So we have to be comfortable with all types of methods. Don't be attached to one method. Attachment is not good, no? So attachment to a method is also not good. Be prepared for any method, for all the methods. Okay, so now next one, number F. Who wants to try number F? 4 digit.
Can I try?
Can I try? Anyone else? Okay, fine. Start.
So
Yeah.
3 minus 0 is 3.
Hmm.
And then 4 minus 2 is 2, but we'll not do it 2. We'll make 2 into 12 and give
2 into
2 into 3
2.
and then give 1 to 5
Yes.
to make it 15. And then 15 minus 8 is 7.
Yes.
And 6 minus 1 is 5.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, fine. Next one, number G. Number G. Who is ready? Number G. Anyone who did not participate till now? Okay, Bhavya, you want to try number G?
Sure, Prabhuji. So
Just values.
since we can do.
Just tell
Yeah.
the
Okay. So.
Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So the first one is 5.
Yeah, means
Five.
what you have to say. You have to say 7 minus 2.
Oh, 7 minus 2 equals 5.
Yeah. 7 minus 2, 5.
11 minus 7, 4.
Hmm.
sorry, 11 minus 8, 3.
Yeah.
And then again, 11 minus 7 this time, 4.
4.
And then 7 minus 1 equals 6.
6. Excellent. So did everyone understand why we converted this 7 and why not the next 7? We converted the previous 7 because the next column is not possible. But we did not convert the next 7 because its next column is possible. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, Prabhu.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes.
One who is ready? Number H.
Can I try?
Vraj Priya. Okay, start.
So, 8, 8, 8 minus 4 is equals to 4.
Yes.
10 minus 8, 10 minus 9 is equals to 1.
Very good. Next.
10 minus 3 is equals to
10 minus
3 is equals to 7.
again. 10 minus 3 or 10 minus 4?
Oh, 10 minus 4 is equals to 6.
Yes.
18 minus 9 is equals to 9.
Yeah, very good. Very good, very good. Excellent. Okay, great. Next one, number I. Who wants? Parikshit.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Chalo.
So, Prabhuji, 6 minus 4 is 2.
Yeah, okay, now see one point here. Okay, Parikshit, just sorry to interrupt. The next column, see the column 3 minus 3 is possible or no?
It's possible.
No, Prabhuji.
3 minus 3 is 0, that is possible.
No, Prabhuji.
Why?
Prabhuji, it's possible, but 6 minus
Prabhuji,
Yes.
6 minus 8 is not possible.
the first two are possible, but the next two are not possible at this point.
So we should do here 6 minus 3 or 6 minus 4?
6 minus 4.
Hmm.
The next is possible, Prabhuji. It should be 6 minus 4.
Listen carefully. Listen carefully. When you have a column where the values are same, whether you should do 6 minus 3 or 6 minus 4 depends on again the next one. Okay, now let me show you two numbers here. Now pay attention. Before telling anything, just listen. Check these two. Check these two. Check the first one. 6 minus 3, fine, no problem. 3 minus 3 also is equal. Now when both values are equal, we should check the next column. Here 4 minus 2 is possible or no?
It's possible.
Possible. That is why we will do 6 minus 3. We will not do 6 minus 4. Okay. So 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. That is clear. Now check the next one. Here 3 and 3 are equal, but the next column again is not possible. Is that clear?
Yes. So the answer is
So that's why, because the next one is not possible, we will change it to 4. Understood?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So 6 minus 4 is 2.
208.
No, not 208. Oh, listen. This is not 208. This 3 will become 4. Sorry. What am I saying?
It will become 4.
Yeah. This 3 will become, just a minute, huh? Sorry, it was on mute. So this 3 will become 4 because this column is not possible. This 3 will become 13 and this 3 will become 4. Why it will become 13? Because we have taken 1 here, that 1 will go here. Why this 3 should become 4? Because 2 minus 4 is not possible. This will be 1. So 6 minus 4, 2. 13 minus 4, 9. 12 minus 4, 8. Is that clear? Yeah, okay. So now coming to number I, we should do 6 minus 3 or 6 minus 4?
6 minus 4.
6 minus 4, because 6 minus 8 is not possible. Okay, yeah, Parikshit, so you can continue.
6 minus 4 is 2.
Yes,
13 minus 4 is 9.
yes,
16 minus 9 is 7.
yes.
13 minus 9 is 4.
13 minus 9.
Sorry,
Why?
8.
Yeah, 13 minus 8, 5, no? Right?
Yes.
9 is not required. Is this clear? Number E, sorry, number I, very important.
Yes, Prabhuji.
All right, so who wants number J? And please note these two calculations: 634 minus 332 and 632 minus 334. How the method changes, very important. So number J. Anybody wants number J?
Prabhuji, can we repeat from here?
Repeat means?
Tell one more problem.
Yeah. Why one more? You tell 10 more problem. Bro.
So, Prabhuji,
You try.
5 minus 3 equals to 2.
Yes.
And 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7, 4. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 8 equals to 3.
Yes.
And then 10 minus 10.
Yes.
Okay, it becomes 0.
Yes.
And then 11 minus 11 minus 9 equals to 2. So, and then 15 minus 6 equals to 9.
Yes, very good. So initially this method will look difficult and we may feel like giving it up. What is all this? My previous method was better. Nothing like that. Even previous method was difficult when you learnt it for the first time, because you have got used to it. So it is human tendency. We resist change. We resist learning anything new. That's natural tendency. Anything new is difficult initially, but if you practice, it just becomes second nature. It is very simple. Number K. Anyone wants number K? Who is ready?
Can I try?
Vrinda, okay, start.
So because this 1 and the 4 next to it cannot subtract 7 from itself, so the 1 would go and become 14, and they would be 0 in its spot. And then 14 minus 7
Just a
is
minute.
going to be 7.
Vrinda, just a minute. Why this will become 0? Because already you have a 0 here, and this 0 will become 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. That is one way of looking at it. Another way of looking at it is directly like this. You can do it this way also. 14 minus 7, 7. This is another way of looking at it. Yeah, okay, Vrinda, you can continue.
And then 2 minus 1 is going to be 1. And then 8 minus 4 is going to be, no, 8 minus 5 is going to be 3. And to the next one, it's 15 minus 8. So that's going to be 15.
Correct. 15 minus 8.
15 minus 8 is going to become the, say, So
What is 15 minus 8?
15 minus 8 is going to become 7.
7. Yes, correct answer. Okay, last question for today. Number L. Aurav.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Let's
So
start.
what you do? You can't actually do 9 minus 3. You have to do 9 minus 4.
Why?
Because since these are same, look to the next column.
Yeah, this is same and this one is not possible. That's why we will do 9 minus 4. Okay.
Yes.
On. So what
But
is
this
9 minus 4?
5.
5. Okay, great. Then next. 9 minus 4 done. Then
Is it actually 6 minus 4?
no, see, 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, who wants to try? What should be the next subtraction? Next column?
16 minus 7.
Yes, 16 minus 7. 6 will become 16 and this 6 will become 7 because 3 minus 9 is not possible. So 16 minus 7, 9. Correct. Then next one. Okay, Aurav, you can continue.
Then 13 minus 9
13
is 4.
plus 9 or 10?
Or 13 minus 9.
No. See, this
Or
one same.
minus
Again,
10.
not possible.
Okay, 13 minus 10.
Yes. That is 3.
3.
Okay, then
10 minus 10.
10 minus no, not 10. 10 minus 0 will become 1. No?
Yeah.
So
10
this one,
minus 1.
yes, 10 minus 1, 9. Then
And 13 minus 9.
9 or 10?
9.
9, yeah, because this is possible. Correct. So 13 minus 9,
13 minus 9 is 4.
4. 13 minus 9 is 4. Very good.
Then 0.
And then
6 from 6 is 0. And
Okay.
3 from 9 is 6.
So because we have done 13 minus 9, we have not done 13 minus 10. No need to put a 1 here. 6 minus 6 is 0. 9 minus 3 is 6. Excellent. Very good. It was difficult. It was challenging. But Saurav, it is simple or difficult now?
Simple.
Simple. Yeah. You just
Except for that last part.
last part. Yeah. You just need some more practice and it will become very easy. Okay, so that's all for today. Any doubt, any question, any comment, clarification? Anyone? Okay, so I hope subtraction is clear. And please keep practicing. The most important thing is practice. You have heard, no? It's a man perfect. Important in maths. Okay, let's stop here. Very much.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
You
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.